Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making Mama Bui's classic baked ziti. This is a comfort food, guys. The pasta is baked with ground beef, diced tomatoes and marinara sauce, and all kinds of gooey, yummy cheeses, and it's so delicious. So let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients. We're gonna need ziti, ground beef, shredded Parmesan cheese, chopped garlic, onions, ricotta cheese, black pepper, Italian seasoning, marinara sauce, diced tomatoes, salt, and mozzarella cheese. First things first, we're gonna heat the Dutch oven over medium-high heat, then add ground beef. Use a wooden spoon to cut the meat into chunks, and to that we're gonna add chopped onions along with garlic. Then we're gonna cook this until the meat is no longer pink and the onions are softened. While the ground beef is cooking, cook pasta according to box instructions with a generous pinch of salt. Cook the pasta uncovered till al dente, edible but still a little bit firm to the bite. Back to the ground beef, add Italian seasoning, add diced tomatoes and the marinara sauce. Stir everything together, then lower the heat and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Next, we're gonna season with salt and black pepper. Give it a good stir. The meat sauce is ready when it starts bubbling. Drain the pasta through a colander. Add pasta to the meat sauce. Guys, it smells so good in here. Now it's time to assemble our baked ziti. Lay the first layer of ziti mixture on the bottom of the pan. Then we're gonna dot the surface with half the ricotta cheese. Just like so, guys. Ricotta cheese adds a creamy texture to this dish, guys. You can substitute it with cream cheese or cottage cheese. You'll need to add 1 egg or a fromage blanc or a cobbler cream. You can even use tofu. Sprinkle mozzarella cheese. Guys, I have a problem. I love cheese. Next, we're gonna sprinkle shredded Parmesan cheese. Add the second layer and repeat the same process as the first one. Guys, this recipe is a pretty classic version of mine, but everyone who makes baked ziti has their own twist to it. Some vary the cheeses, some the meat, some make meatless versions, and so on. Top with the cheeses, then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. This recipe is quick and easy and delicious, guys. There you have it, guys. Baked ziti. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends and your family. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama B's Kitchen. Please hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. See you in the next video, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.